Wow, RoboDJ has gone global, baby. From day one, so many of you have reached out and asked, well, does RoboDJ habla Espanol or parlez-vous français or Portuguese or German? The list goes on, and I just foolishly thought, well, sure it does. You just head over to 11 Labs, you choose a voice that speaks your language, and you're good to go, just like that. Well, big old fail. So I got under the hood and did some tinkering, and I can't wait to show you this upgrade. So grab your flag, wave it high, wave it proud, and we're gonna jump into RoboDJ right now and get global with it. 11 Labs has a ton of voices in almost 30 different languages, depending which model you're on. So once you find a voice you like, you head back to RoboDJ, you copy that voice ID, and look at this. Now we have a language dropdown. And also added is a fourth voice profile slot. So now you could plug in 4 different voices. And let's say for one voice you want to use your English default, but maybe another voice delivers a report in Spanish. So your individual voice profiles could override the default language in the system, which is really nice. Now, so you know, I was just so giddy with excitement that this actually worked. Well, I think it worked, that I ran a schedule and I produced 2 scripts. But foolishly, I did not instruct the prompt to actually write the script in Portuguese. So I went back into this tease prompt, and right down here, I just added 1 sentence to my English prompt. I said, output the final script in Brazilian Portuguese with proper formatting and language accuracy. And that's just me pasting a sentence in English. Imagine if the entire prompt was in your native language. So we know Hope is our Brazilian voiceover artist, so I'm choosing Hope. I save the prompt. So when this schedule ran a couple minutes ago, I got the alert, well, here's your script to promote Loverboy's Hot Girls in Love. And well, this is in English, the file name, so let's head over to script generation and see the scripts that came in. Here's the beats tease. Aha! Portuguese, baby! This is awesome. So when I saw this, that's when I hit record, and I wanted to share the excitement with you. As you can see, I have not generated a voice file yet. So this is either going to work wonderfully or crash and burn spectacularly. So I like the script. I mean, what would I know to change it? So it looks good to me. So we're going to send this off to Sweet Hope. She's right now. Oh my God, just like that. Do you think she's actually speaking Portuguese? Okay, well, we're going to find out. I'm a little nervous.
Conheça os segredos de Hot Girls in Love do Loverboy em nosso próximo Behind the Beats. Estamos a menos de 10 minutos de distância. Não perca essa jornada musical incrível. Vem aí na XXX80s.
Oh my goodness. To me, it sounded foreign. It sounded exotic. Was it accurate? Well, that's for you, my Portuguese friends, to chime in and let me know. But this is a really exciting update to RoboDJ, and I just think now it expands the offering to points all over the globe. Granted, if you need a voice track in one of these languages, you're good to go. And when you change the model here on 11 Labs, it will update the available voices. Now, the highest quality, multilingual V2, it only supports, I think, 29 voices, where I know Turbo, I think, rocks 32 voices. These are great voices. I think there's something out there for most of my viewers. And you can also test your connection with 11 Labs and also get account status. You can see how many characters you've used, how much you have left, and your voice slots. Have you maxed out your voice slots? Well, yeah, I have. So that's a nice little feature too. And if you're dying to know, well, which languages are supported? Well, you head over to 11 Labs, and based on the model you use, you can find the languages that it supports. And again, testing is super important. Just because a voice may say, hey, I speak French, doesn't mean it speaks French in the way that you expect. So you have to paste in scripts in your language in the text-to-speech window and just try before you buy, basically. Well, now that I'm craving a chocolate croissant, since Hope also speaks French, I want to see if this is really that easy. And we come back to Hope's voice profile. We select French. We save it. We pop back over to the prompt library. And all we're going to do is just change out Brazilian Portuguese with French. Now, the LLM or AI chatbot that you choose does make a difference in the foreign language output that you receive. Based on others' testing, the two clear winners are Claude from Anthropic and ChatGPT's 4o model. But before you put anything on the air, you have to test your prompts out with these different providers and find the one that does produce the most accurate output for your language. Save it, okay it, and just shrug our shoulders and say, is it really that easy? Well, let's find out. I'm going to set a schedule for the next minute. Now, a lot of things have to happen before we're impressed. One, ChatGPT has to actually interpret this rule and write the script in French. And then it sends it off to 11 Labs where hopefully that French voice is accurate and hits all the right notes. Okay, we already have our script. And look at that. Wow, that looks very Eiffel Tower-ish to me. Once again, what the heck do I know? We're going to approve it, and we're going to have Hope and her beautiful beret record it. Okay, français, me baby.
Prête pour une incursion électrisante dans les coulisses? Dans moins de 10 minutes, découvrez les secrets de Hot Girls in Love de Loverboy dans notre rubrique Behind the Beats. Ne manquez pas ça. Coming up next on Triple X 80s.
Oh, I love how she said Hot Girls in Love. Now, could her tonality and inflection may be more French infused? Yes, and I think that's a byproduct of the actual voice model that you choose. Sure, she could speak these different languages, but is that her specialty? So once again, this is on you to find voices that really shine in your language of choice. And I think that's just going over the voice library and kicking the tires on a bunch of voices until you find the ones that are the most high quality and really speak your language in a way that, is acceptable for your station. But on RoboDJ's side, this is incredibly promising. Just changing, one word in this prompt, and now we have really expanded the possibilities. I could paste this in every prompt now. And boom, now we've converted Triple X80s to Triple X80s. And it shows you just how easy it is. So if you were hesitant in the past to waste time with taking RoboDJ for a test drive because you may have thought, well, that's cool and all, but it doesn't speak my language. Well, not anymore. RoboDJ is now fluent in over 30 languages. So I'm sure you could find one that will float your dinghy. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, because ultimately only you know if these bots are actually pronouncing this stuff right. And only you can decide if this is up to the level that you need to knock it out of the park for your radio station. So please, let's work together on this. I want to continue to push RoboDJ forward in the best way possible. And with your great ideas, I know we can make this, this the best AI DJ possible for broadcasters like us. You know what I'm talking about. We don't have deep pockets. We can't drop $300 or $1,200 a month for other AI DJ services. That's not even in the realm of budgetary reality. So that's why I wanted to create RoboDJ. Give us a chance to do something really cool and really creative with technology. And now it's open to everyone around the globe. That is so freaking exciting. Please take this for a spin. It's free for 7 days, and it's not this, crappy free where I'm going to make you swipe a credit card or lock you into commitment. No, this is free. So jump to this link right here, RoboRadioDJ.com, and plug this baby in, and I cannot wait to hear what you think. Muchas gracias. Oh my God, that sounds horrible. Merci. Who haven't I offended? Maybe that's a better question. I am Jeff, the what am I? I don't even know who I am. Yes, I'm the radio DJ dude. This guy's the Robo DJ dude. Anyway, until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics. Yes, it's now more appropriate than ever, all over the world. Now I'm going to start drinking, because you probably already think I have. No, the scary thing is I'm very sober, maybe a little too sober.